candidates, welcome to E2E Hiring. In this video, I'll show you how to create your account on E2E Hiring candidate module. For that, first open your Google Chrome and start searching www.e2ehiring.com. This will take you to the landing page of E2E Hiring. Then you can click on Login on the right bottom of the web page. If you already have an account on E2E Hiring, you can write your email ID, password and click on Login. Or you can continue with Google, LinkedIn or GitHub. If you don't have an account, then you can click on Register Now. Once after clicking on Register Now, you'll get a sign up page where you have to fill in the details like your first name, last name, email ID and password. Once it's done, click on Register. By clicking on the register, you will receive a one-time password to your email. Paste the OTP and click on Verify Email. Now it will take you to the login page where you can give your email ID and password and click on Login. After logging in, it will take you to the job portal page where you can drag or browse your resume in order to complete your profile. Resume is uploaded, it will extract all the information required to create your profile. Wait until the system extracts your information. This might take some time. Once extracted, you can verify your information. In order to complete your profile, you have to verify about session skills, education, projects, etc. Once everything is verified, your profile will be completed. Your profile is completed, you can go to the job section, search for the job, and then you can click on those jobs that you would like to apply for. Once you click on the job, it will take you to the another page where you can click on Apply. And once after applying, you can check the applied jobs on your dashboard. Thank you for watching and all the best for your job searching.